Most smart people don't fail because they lack ability. They fail because they optimize the wrong variable. They become faster, cleaner, more efficient, while the system quietly caps their upside. This video explains why intelligence often accelerates misalignment, and how operators avoid optimizing themselves into a dead end. Smart people see patterns faster. They respond sooner. They fix inefficiencies before others even notice them. In the short term, this looks like advantage. In the long term, it can lock them into roles that reward speed, not leverage. Efficiency makes systems run smoother. But smoother systems don't always create more value. They often just become harder to change. When you optimize execution inside a flawed structure, you strengthen the structure you may eventually want to escape. Efficiency improvements feel productive because results appear quickly. Tasks finish faster, metrics improve, praise follows. This positive reinforcement hides the long-term cost, reduced optionality. Operators don't ask, "How do I do this better?" They ask, "Why is this being done at all?" They challenge assumptions before optimizing execution. That pause creates leverage. Many smart professionals reach local optima, points where improvement inside the role no longer translates to broader impact. Global advantage requires changing the system, not refining the task. Early success convinces people they're on the right path. By the time misalignment becomes obvious, exit costs are high. Identity, reputation, and income are now tied to the optimized role. When you solve problems efficiently, more problems find you. Your intelligence becomes a routing mechanism, pulling complexity toward you instead of freeing you from it. The highest leverage optimization is often removal. Removing steps, removing decisions, removing dependencies. This kind of optimization doesn't look impressive, but it compounds. Operators design structures where average execution still produces strong outcomes. They don't rely on intelligence as a substitute for design. They use it to simplify systems until intelligence becomes optional. Over time, highly optimized roles become brittle. They depend on specific contexts, tools, or people. Leverage roles adapt across systems. Speed feels like progress. Efficiency feels like mastery. But leverage comes from choosing the right objective. Before you optimize at all,